Hi everyone, Krzysztof here, founder of Click Hive. Let me ask you something. What if I told you that creating high converting UGC ads could be as simple as using a couple of AI tools? Today, I'm going to walk you through a game-changing process that we discovered recently on how to create scroll-stopping, authentic UGC ads. So stay with me if you're interested in saving thousands of dollars and speeding up your video production process by at least 10x. And all of this done with no actual human UGC creator inputs, everything generated using AI. Pretty crazy stuff. So basically, why in the first place, why UGC? So for those unfamiliar with the concept of UGC, stands for user generated content. It's basically content created by users of a product or a service, sort of in a testimonial style, describing why they bought a specific product or a service, giving their honest feedback. And why that works is because people tend to relate to other users of the product and the service, and they want to hear reviews, testimonials, and real first-hand experience of other people that have tried that product before them. So UGCs have been very popular over the last few years, booming, especially right after the pandemic, kind of unboxing style videos, people talking right to the camera, describing their experience with a specific product or a service. It's a kind of ad creative that's gained a lot of popularity. There are some downsides to it in that it's rather time consuming to make because you have to involve human UGC creators. You have to find the right creators to fit your brand. You have to ship them the products. You have to write the scripts for them. You have to coordinate that they shoot everything in the right way. So it can be very time consuming. Sometimes it can take weeks, up to even a couple of months to get a video ready. It can also be relatively expensive for that reason. UGC creators have started charging pretty high rates in the recent couple of years due to the popularity of this kind of content. So what I'm offering here in this video is basically a significantly more cost-effective option and a significantly faster option because it kind of takes away the human creators out of the equation. So we can basically create UGC videos much faster and much cheaper using two AI tools. And those are here on the screen, as you can see them here. Basically, tool number one will help us write the actual script for the video, and tool number two will generate the actual AI UGC for us with human-looking AI avatars, which is pretty crazy. I've honestly been very mind blown by the quality of it. It is indistinguishable from humans in some aspects, and also it actually outperforms human creators very often. We've been testing this for our own agency, and ads with AI avatars perform better than human creators in the initial campaigns we launched. It's still early days, but that's already mind-blowing in itself. So the first tool, most of you can probably guess what that is. That's ChatGPT. So we're going to use ChatGPT to generate a converting script, a catchy script for our video, which we're then going to input into this second tool, which I'm going to talk about in a second. So first of all, let's go into ChatGPT. I mean, most of you are probably familiar with this tool. You can use the free version for this. It will work completely fine. You don't need the premium version for this. So, again, talking about cost efficiency, this can work really, really well. So we're going to write a script. I'm going to give you a prompt, which I think should work quite well, which feel free to use that for your own product as well. We're going to do a video about a fictionary product that doesn't exist. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT to write a 15-second UGC video script for our new, let's say we're going to be selling men's electric razors. Men's electric razor. We have to give it a name. Let's call it the Bush Buster. Make sure the hook is catchy and the script is written in Gen Z style to perform well on TikTok. So yeah, for example, in this fictional ad, we want to run it on TikTok. We have to give it a bit more context. We probably should give it some of our USPs or unique selling points, just so ChatGPT knows what to focus on. So our USPs are, what's a good thing about an electric razor? Let's say ultra long 24-hour charge. The razor being fully waterproof. Let's give it some social proof, and let's say, and it's been voted #1 razor in the US in 2024. Cool. So yeah, straight to the point. We give it the length of the script. We tell it what the product is. We want to, give it some style of writing, give it some USPs. Let's see what ChatGPT comes back with. Okay, so give us a hook. You're about to take your grooming game next level. It also gave us the actual descriptions of the scenes, which we don't need. So I'm just going to tell it to, we just need the script talking. We just need the script of the creator talking, no other text. Right, okay, so it's come up with this script here. Cool. I mean, it sounds good. Like we're not going to dedicate this video to writing the perfect script. This is just to give you an idea of a starting point. So we've got a pretty good script. So part 1 is finished, and we're going to jump on to part 2 to actually generate the video. All right, so now we're in makeugc.ai, which is the tool that we've been loving a lot recently for creating human-looking AI avatars. So this is the dashboard, pretty straightforward. What we're gonna do is we're gonna create video. We're gonna title our video. This is more just for your reference in your library, so you can see what what kind of videos you've been making in your library. Okay, I'm gonna call it electric razor test. Then we're gonna go back into ChatGPT. Then we're gonna copy our script here. Let's just get rid of the quotation marks. Just gonna get rid of the emojis just in case the avatar decides to read that out. We don't really want some weird sounding stuff. Okay, so the script is here. So we're gonna go into select voice. And the cool thing about Make UGC is that it's got a lot of different avatars. So you've got, American accents, you've got some British accents. You can actually choose the accents if you want as well. And you have different avatars, some of which are better than others. So, depending on your brand and what kind of products you're selling, you play around with these different ones. For our benefit, we're promoting a men's razor, so we're just going to go with a male avatar. So we're going to choose Ryan here, and we're going to click on pre-generate audio. And we've got the preview ready already, so let's hear that.
All right, let's talk about the Bushbuster. This thing, 24-hour charge, like I could shave all day if I wanted to. But who's doing that? Oh, and it's fully waterproof. Shower, pool, no problem. This thing's unbothered. And it's literally voted #1 razor in the US for 2024. Don't trust me? Trust the people. If you're not on this yet, what are you even doing? Time to level up, my guy.
Cool, that sounds super good, and it was generated instantly. You can also choose if you want to have some music in the background, and you can choose the styles in terms of stability, speed, and stuff like that, which we're not going to play around with, but you can. You've got a lot of flexibility here. So now we're going to select the avatar. So yeah, the first step we're selecting the voice, and now we're going to select the actual avatar. So again, you have these different faces here. Some of them look superhuman. Like look at Henry. I mean, he looks like a real real gamer, right? We're gonna go for Ryan here because he seems to fit this kind of like bro vibe of this script. So we're gonna select Ryan, and then we're gonna hit create video. Right. Okay, and then this is depending on each individual user. For some, it takes a few minutes. For some, it takes a couple of hours. We on our team find that different members of our team, for them, it takes different time to actually generate the videos. So I'm going to come back when the video is generated and I'll let you know how long it basically took. All right, and we're back. It's been only about 6 minutes and the video is generated, so super, super fast. Let's check out the end result. So it's 26 minutes long. So actually ChatGPT was a bit cheeky and wrote a script longer than it was supposed to be. But we'll just, we'll just turn a blind eye to that this time. Let's see what our AI chat did.
All right, let's talk about the Bushbuster. This thing, 24-hour charge, like I could shave all day if I wanted to. But who's doing that? Oh, and it's fully waterproof. Shower, pool, no problem. This thing's unbothered. And it's literally voted #1 razor in the US for 2024. Don't trust me? Trust the people. If you're not on this yet, what are you even doing? Time to level up, my guy.
Right, that came up pretty good, considering it took us a total of less than 10 minutes to make. That's pretty impressive, and I feel like this avatar really fits the script really well, this sort of Gen Z Chad bro vibe. So quite impressed. This is basically how easy it is to make AI UGC. Quite crazy, so you can experiment with different avatars here. And different voices, so the possibilities are endless. Of course, this as a product, this is the raw UGC content. You still need to edit it. You need to ideally put some B-rolls on it, subtitles. So that's just the initial part, but this part itself could take weeks in the past, and now can be done in as little as 10 minutes, as you can see. For those curious about the pricing for Make UGC, it starts at $49 per month, where you get 5 videos, $69 you get 10 videos, and the most expensive one, $119 and 20 videos. I think that's incredibly competitive. From our experience working with UGC creators, paying a human UGC creator can be anyway starting from like $150 to sometimes $1,000 per single video. So if you got 20 videos for $119, you can create endless variations. I think the value for money is pretty crazy and definitely there. So that's basically the workflow. There is a bonus here. Obviously we start with ChatGPT. You generate the scripts. We go to Make UGC, generate the videos. This part itself takes less than 10 minutes, as you saw. Then the bonus is to go into another tool, AI powered tool, which is Envato Elements, and generate a bunch of engaging B-rolls to interlay them with our AI avatar talking to make the video more engaging, more interesting to watch. If you're interested, but I'm not going to cover that in this video, but if you're interested in hearing more about how to approach the later stages of UGC production, let me know in the comments, and in the future I can record a video dedicated to that. I hope you enjoyed this super simple, straight to the point AI workflow on creating AI UGC, and go have fun with it. As you see, it's a pretty powerful workflow, and can save you a lot of time and a lot of money. So thanks for watching, and talk to you soon.